Welcome to Sefine Shipyard. Sefine Shipyard sets the highest standards in Turkey's shipping industry. We begin every day by remembering the absolute importance of each human life. There are thousands of people working here. Since we are doing the most difficult and demanding job in the world, our priority is occupational safety. Our shipyard, established in 2008, started fully operating after 2010 and went from zero to the top. Since then, we have invested each penny we have earned in our business, and today we are among the best shipyards in Turkey. Undoubtedly, we have achieved this point with our long-term planning and disciplined working system. Our employees constitute the real strength of our shipyard. We operate 24 hours a day with our staff reaching up to 5,000 people when necessary, including 200 engineers and 50 technicians. We provide our customers with high-quality products and services, starting with basic design calculations up until delivery, new shipbuilding, conversion, repair, maintenance, military shipbuilding, and other substantial industrial projects. We are the only shipyard that performs all of these services together at the highest level. We have combined many individual shipyards to create our current 150,000 square work area. Here are our design, planning, and technical project offices, the heart of our shipbuilding activities. When we undergo shipbuilding projects, we consider it extremely important to fully realize our clients' dreams within pre-agreed budget and time parameters. Completing each project following our timely delivery principle is considered to be imperative by our team at Sefine Shipyard. Here is our shipbuilding site. This 160-meter long and 60-meter wide slipway is the point where all new generation vessels will be launched. With new investments, we will extend the length of this slipway to 220 meters. This is our new hangar, which we use for very special projects such as the construction of luxury cruise ships. With this hangar, we can completely protect each ongoing project from any environmental conditions. This system ensures that our building operations are clean and fast, and that we always deliver on time. Since the building of our first vessel in 2010, we have completed more than 50 projects perfectly. In 2012, we became the first Turkish shipyard ever to export a turnkey ferry to Norway, which had a highly advanced maritime transportation network. Also, we are the first shipyard in Europe to have contract with 4 different ferry operators in Norway. We also built for Norway the ferry with the world's largest battery capacity, with 4.5 megawatt-hours at the time it was built. Also, a live fish transport vessel with a capacity of 7,500 cubic meters, which was considered the largest in the world at the time the contract was signed, will be launched from Sefine Shipyard. We now enjoy worldwide references in the building of ferries and live fish transport vessels equipped with innovative technology. We also started to build vessels specific to the conditions of the countries that we work with. We also won the tender for the building of a Russian-class rescue vessel with a power of 18 megawatts. In addition to Norway and Russia, we are also exporting vessels to many countries that are competing in the maritime sector on a global scale, such as Italy, the Faroe Islands, and Estonia. Compared to other shipyards, the vessels we build have a less negative effect on the environment. Our carbon footprint is in line with shipbuilding-related regulations enforced in Northern European countries, which are particularly sensitive when it comes to this issue. We are extremely proud to continue building more environmentally friendly vessels. Being able to manipulate steel into a form that can successfully travel across the vast expanses of water is the most satisfying aspect of our work. It's worth mentioning that our shipyard currently has the competence and certification to provide steelwork to nuclear power plants. With this unique capability, we were able to manufacture 12,000 tons of steel roofing for Istanbul's new airport. We were also able to provide steel for the viaduct carrying legs of the Osman Gazi Bridge and the most important sections of the BOTAŞ platforms, which will be used to extract natural gas deposits projected to meet the entire energy needs of our country from the Black Sea. Thanks to our considerable R&D activities that we have always made a point to invest in, we have acquired a variety of new disciplines and certifications in the field of shipbuilding. A large amount of what we earn goes back into the growth and development of our shipyards so that we can continue to build vessels with increasingly innovative designs. We are now building one replenishment vessel for the Turkish Navy. With the knowledge and experience we have gained from this experience, we are certain that we will gain further opportunities to provide similar distinguished vessels for the navies of many different countries in the not-so-distant future. Among our new market targets includes a new generation of vessels and productions which enable technology transfer. We will always continue to be involved in the construction of special projects with our evolving capabilities. And this is the design offices and marketing department where repair work is managed. We first make reservations for all vessels that will be maintained and repaired at our shipyard. After this process is undertaken by the marketing team, each vessel's specific requirements are projected in our design office and submitted for approval. We employ quick actions in response to any problems at every stage of the process. Our price performance, infrastructure advantage, and the experience of our technical teams are our most valuable qualities. With these attributes, we ensure complete customer satisfaction. After we receive client approval, we will tow the vessel in question to the appropriate dock or port and start work. Our maintenance and repair department is just as busy as all the other departments in our shipyard. The main operation areas of this department are located at the quays and the docks where the vessels are berthed. We can host vessels that weigh up to 9,000 deadweight tons in this dry dock, with a post-Panamax size capacity of 240 meters long and 42 meters wide. We welcome ships up to 120,000 deadweight tons in this floating dock, with an Aframax size capacity of 282 meters long and 47 meters wide. The total dock length of our shipyard is 2,200 meters. In other words, we can serve 13 vessels simultaneously. We are among the very small number of shipyards operating in Europe with this capacity. This shipyard has served for nearly 1,000 vessels and delivered more than 35 ship conversion projects since its establishment. In the last 2 years, we have installed ballast water treatment systems on more than 150 vessels and exhaust gas treatment systems on more than 30 vessels. With a total capacity of 120 nozzles, we are among the fastest shipyards in the industry for scraping and painting works. We always keep vessels' equipment safely in closed or open sections of our 5,000 square meter warehouse. We have an officially certified sludge discharge plant with a capacity of 300 cubic meters. Our workshops are the lifeblood of our shipyard. We reach accurate and fast solutions with high capacity in our mechanical, electrical, pipe and equipment workshops and steel processing, CNC and steel conversion departments. We always observe good timekeeping without sacrificing our very high standards. We will soon work on a Suezmax ship, a 330,000 deadweight VLCC very large crude carrier, and 20,000 container capacity vessels vessels in our ship repair and maintenance department. Our newly built, inviting social facilities include guest rooms, restaurants, and training halls. Here, we welcome personnel attached to the vessels which are being maintained and repaired in our shipyard, as well as other guests. Our rooms, which successfully emulate the comfort level found in 4-star hotels, are free of charge. Increasing the skill development and motivation of our employees is our #1 priority. As a result, we organize in-house training and social activities related to our sector. We know that ultimately, employees' happiness is crucial to the success of our organization. Sefine is a pioneering driving force of innovation in our sector. We work with tens of suppliers in our region and thousands of suppliers in the sector as a whole. More than 10,000 people receive a share of the economic value we create. Today, we are among the most significant shipyards in Turkey. We are increasing our work area from 150,000 square meters to 250,000 square meters to continue our growing influence in the world of shipping. We also plan to build new quays and new docks. We are always ambitiously moving towards achieving more substantial goals, but we never compromise when it comes to quality or customer satisfaction, and our strict adherence to the timely delivery principle always remains intact. We aim to leave a cleaner world to our children by building more environmentally friendly vessels and minimizing carbon emissions. We must do what is necessary to provide the very best steel-related products and services while protecting nature in the process. This is Sefine. We both repair and build ships from scratch. In a fast-evolving sector, optimal quality and maximum safety are vital. Long-term cooperation and good fellowship are our specialities.